How to make saving money feel rewarding. Have you ever noticed something strange about money? Spending it can feel good immediately. You buy the thing you wanted, and for a few minutes you feel excited. But when you move that same money into savings, nothing happens. No excitement, no dopamine rush, just a smaller balance in your spending account. And that might be one of the biggest reasons saving feels so difficult. The problem may not be that you lack discipline. The problem may be that spending rewards you now, while saving rewards you later, and your brain is naturally attracted to rewards it can feel today. So what if you could change that? Instead of treating saving as money you're giving up, start treating it as visible evidence of progress. Imagine you receive your salary and immediately move a small amount into savings. Don't just look at it as money you can't spend. Look at it as a score. Last month, maybe you had $50,000 saved. This month, it's $60,000. That extra $10,000 isn't just money, it's proof that you kept a promise to yourself. And here's where things get interesting. Your goal shouldn't always be to save some enormous amount, like 1 million or 10 million. Those goals can feel so far away that your brain barely reacts to them. Create smaller milestones. Your first 50,000, then 100,000, then 200,000. Every milestone gives your brain something concrete to recognize. You can even give your savings a purpose. Don't call it savings. Call it your emergency fund, your investment capital, your house fund, your freedom fund, or whatever meaningful goal you're working toward. Because money with a purpose feels different from money sitting in an account. And when you reach a milestone, reward yourself without destroying the progress. Take a day off. Enjoy a favorite meal. Spend time with people you love. Do something that makes you feel good without turning your financial victory into another spending spree. Most importantly, stop waiting to become perfect. Saving $5,000 consistently can be more powerful psychologically than saving $50,000 once and then giving up. Because you're not just building a balance, you're building an identity. You're becoming someone who saves. And eventually, saving stops feeling like punishment. It starts feeling like progress. That's the real psychological shift. You're not saying, I can't spend this money. You're saying, I'm choosing what this money is going to do for me. And once saving starts feeling like a reward instead of a sacrifice, financial discipline becomes much easier to maintain. Because every time you save, you're not losing something today. You're buying a little more freedom for tomorrow.